Before we start, please create a folder where all of your work will be stored. This is where all of our files will be saved. From now on, we will use the language of the matrix. Words like AI, artificial intelligence, API, these terms are important for people to understand so they do not get lost while trying to learn. What is an application programming interface or an ENV file? You will be able to see the code and read it. What is an ENV file and what does it do for your development? It stores your environment variables, keeping keys out of your code. This makes your app more secure and easier to manage. This is a sample ENV file that you will create for your Grok AI application. Let's start the class by opening a web page to x.ai/API. An API is a messenger that lets software talk to each other. A .env file stores your private API keys and settings. To get started, click on the link called API Console Login. Once at x.ai, then click on the link called API Console Login.
Once at API Console, click Create API Key. This will allow you to create an ENV key.
Don't glitch out if you get behind, just pause the video. Give the key a unique name. Name your production key with a unique name such as Grok AI Development. Clicking on the API button will generate the key. Now that you have a name, press the Create API Key button to generate the secret key. Now, click the Copy to Clipboard button. See the round button with the overlapping pages icon? Click this to copy it to the clipboard. Students, please launch the Notepad application on your desktop. Paste the secret key into the Notepad application and save it as .env file. Congratulations, you have just generated your first API key and EN file.